Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 for sale. This vehicle comes in a white exterior, and we have a brown and black interior. This dark wood grain accent trim, power memory seats, both driver and passenger, heated seats as well, lumbar support, sunroof, steering wheel. And hopping inside, mileage currently at 95,426. Do have a push button ignition. And here we have our display, currently showing the navigation screen, radio, and backup camera. Below your display you have climate controls, including heated seats. You also have buttons to access some of those different functions we just walked through there. Also have a CD player. Below that we have cigarette lighter and ashtray, cup holder. You got various traction modes here, or you can adjust between sport, comfort, slippery conditions, and whatnot. We also have our command module here where you can make adjustments on your display using either of these here. And we have our shifter. Go ahead and show you the rest of the vehicle next. So here we have our rear seats. Got rear climate controls, including heated seats back here. Quick peek up at the front again. Do have third row seats. You can access those just at the touch of a button. I'll go ahead and fold up these rear seats for you here. And then here's our third row seats. They're currently folded down. We got some stuff back here in the trunk, as you can see. We got the extra roof racks here. You can get those installed if you'd like. Just talk with our sales team. Always happy to help. Coming around to the rear, we've got our GLS 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage, as you can see. You can always fold those third row seats up if you got a couple extra passengers. And we do have push button controls here for folding up those seats or folding them down as needed. Push button to close your trunk. And if you're interested in getting additional information or scheduling a test drive for this 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 or any of the other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.